Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at FibSwap. I've spoke about FibSwap before loads of times. This is still a hidden gem. This is very undervalued at the moment. So it's got enough data now. It's been going now since the 24th, 23rd of July. So it's been out for a number of months now, and the tech they've got just now is absolutely amazing. You can now swap any ERC20 token with any BEP20 token just now. And they've also got the Phantom chain as well. They've also got Polygon on there as well, which is absolutely amazing. So this is now about getting the word out there and getting more people to use kind of FibSwap, because it is an amazing piece. I don't know if you've seen it just now. They've upgraded the way it looks as well. The UI looks good, and the user experience, the UX is good as well. So you can now swap any ERC20 or any Ethereum network token that's on the Ethereum network with anything that's on the BEP20 on the BSC network as well. So, but you can also do Polygon and Phantom. So you could swap anything from the Polygon chain over to the Ethereum chain, or over to the BSC chain, or over to the Phantom chain, and vice versa. And a lot of people don't know about it yet, but once they find out, this is going to explode. So I just want to show you the chart just now, as it stands just now. You can see I've done this before, and this is the traffic light charts. We're just going to do it very simple. Strong support at 0.005, which is 5.5% at the moment. Strong support there. We can see they bounced off there before, come down, bounced, went up to the next resistance area at 1 cent, and we're at that area again just now. So probably coming down to about the 5.5% before we bounce back up. So now is a perfect time to buy FibSwap if you're looking at this. We've got second major resistance at 1.6 cents, and price discovery mode is after the 2 cent area. That's kind of really the all-time high when it hit 2.5 cents really, which is fantastic. So this has still got a long way to go. If we look at FibSwap as well and just look at the market capitalization. So it's got here a fully diluted market valuation is 57 million. That's not the actual fully diluted market cap, because there's not 10 billion in circulating supply. There's a total supply of 9.5 billion, and there's about 3.76 billion circulating just now, because they've got a bond wallet and they've got marketing wallet, etc. that's been locked up, and team wallets have been locked up. So that's not the full kind of circulating supply. So really we're talking about a market cap of about 20 million at the moment, or 25 million, round about that area, which is fantastic. So this has still got a long way to go. They've got marketing coming up in place as well for FibSwap, and they're going to be doing a new level type of marketing just now. So this, initially it was just to get the word out, it was to get the DEX launched and upgraded, so it's now on version 2. Which has been done a couple of weeks ago. So now this is getting people to know about it and onboarding users. And this is what we're looking to do as well with FibSwap. So this is a long-term hold, and one of my biggest bags, and one I'm going to be holding for a long time. And I support the team, part of the team as well. You know that I've done loads of videos on it, and this is why I'm so bullish on it as well, because I know the team, because I know what they're up to, because I know what's happening in the background. I think this is still an amazing investment, and think we could see for the year end, certainly all-time highs for the year end, and it's looking brilliant for FibSwap just now. So as I said, strong support just now. This is a perfect time to buy. It should bounce off this area and go back up to the 1 cent area, hopefully break that 1 cent up to 1.6, then up to the all-time highs. And with the bullishness in the marketplace just now, I think FibSwap is easily placed to smash through its all-time high very soon. Okay, that's it for just now for FibSwap. Look out for more news coming up. Wink, wink. So there will be more news coming up, and just look out for that. And just take a look at FibSwap. Do your own research first. Have a play about with the DEX. Check it out first, dex.fibswap.io, and then take it from there. Okay, until next video. Namaste. Take care. Bye now.